This is a video of several trades made this morning on the ES4 Renko on 10/19/2011. The first trigger bar is right here. I drew a vertical line and an arrow on this bar. The line shows how the other indicators in the package line up, indicating to take a long position. Also, the swing cycle VB has moved above its variable band, has turned green and is moving up. Therefore, the long position was taken on this bar. Position was exited on this bar where I put in the red diamond, and this was where the triangle trend indicator put in the final leg of the triangle right here. At this time, the swing cycle was moving below its variable band right in here. The next trade was in this area. By the way, this trade was for 4 points. This next trade was for 3 points right in here. This is the trigger line. Trade was entered on this mark here, and I exited the trade down here when I put in this red diamond. Now, this was a 3-point trade. Incidentally, this trade came after a squeeze right in here. I anticipated that this would not be a long move or a big move. I anticipated that when it reached support at today's open, by the way, this is yesterday's close, that it would probably bounce off this, which it did. So I exited the trade right here. Now there were a total of 7 points profit in these two trades. On this screenshot, you can see where I got out of the last trade here, and the equity moved up a little bit and then started back down, so I got back in the trade here. Now, I should not have gotten out of this trade here. You can see the swing cycle VB has moved below the variable band and is red down in here. There's just no indication. I was anticipating that because up until this point the ES had traded in a range between yesterday's close and today's open, and so it did bounce a little bit off this, but because the swing cycle VB stayed below its variable band, I should have stayed in this trade and not gotten out of it. It's not a major mistake. It's always nice to take profits off the table, which I did here, but it just is another transaction fee to get back in the trade again here for another 11 points down to this area where I got out of the trade. Now, this time was a proper place to get out of the trade because the swing cycle turned green, moved above the variable band right in here, and also the R squared moved down below its trigger line, and the linear regression slope moved above its trigger line. They crossed right here, which generally indicates there's going to be a change in trend. So this was a good point and a reasonable point to exit the trade. So there were a total of 3 trades today. This one for 11 points, the first trade for 4 points, next trade for 3 points, so it was a total of 18 points trading for the morning. If you'd like to learn more about these indicators, please visit my website at ninjaindicators, the number 4, the letter U.com.